Hi guys, what's up? It's time to see if this pea rocket works.
How high do you think it'll go?
Not much.
Not much. Let's go check it out. Come on. Should I follow you?
Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
All right. Cool.
All right, Lucas, what are we doing here?
So, we're making a giant rocket
Yeah.
that will probably go in the air like 50 feet high.
I hope so.
I'm thinking at least 20.
20 feet?
Yeah.
Cool.
To make it go higher, we filled it with pea this time. To see if that
JK.
works. JK. It's just food coloring. But we've got some baking soda.
I put some pea in it.
All right, Lucas. So we're gonna put our thing down on the ground. Remember the last time we did it, we have evidence. 2 times, 2 failures. It just tipped over. But this time, Lucas had the great idea of putting little rubber bands around the cork so it seals up tight and makes more pressure and shoots higher. Do you think it'll work better this time?
Yeah.
All right.
Peter, what do you think?
What do you think, Peter?
Good, but it's our first time on live, so.
Oh,
It's first time on live. Yeah.
We're pretending the other 2 didn't happen, even though there's a lot of evidence that
It
we
did
had
happen.
2 failures. All right, so Lucas, same thing. You're gonna drop
My name's
in
Peter.
the baking powder bomb. I'm gonna stop it up,
This is
give it a
Donald.
little shake, turn it upside down, and hope
And
for the
that's
best.
Lucas.
All right. All right, you ready, camera woman?
Yes, I'm ready.
You're very pretty, by the way. All
Thanks.
right. Ready? 1, 2,
Peter, you gotta
3, go.
Oh, hey, that was a little bit higher.
Got like,
That went a little bit. That much better. Much better.
all right.
Peter, what do you think?
Guys, I'm gonna say though, like we've tried everything to make this like as much as we can. We've tried more and less. We've stoppered this up. I don't know that this rocket is like the instructions that can go 50 feet in the air or even 20 feet. I don't know. What do you think?
What do you think, Peter?
No. Let's try it again.
Should we try it again?
Instructions punked, or should we just stop?
Stop.
No. Try it
Try
again.
it again. All right, we'll try.
Yeah,
it.
that was
We'll
our
try
third
it.
time.
It went like 4 feet, but we'll
Yeah.
try it again. All right.
The other That's higher than you. That's like the same height as me.
Yeah.
I'm
It went
4
as high as
feet
you.
1.
You could have ridden it to the moon.
What?
All right. Try again.
Peter,
Sign us out.
Peter, sign us out.
Put some pea in it. Guys, what's up? Let's see if this rocket could go high.
Okay.
All right. This is gonna be our last attempt. Last time our thing stuck in and it didn't pop out, so it didn't shoot. So we're gonna try it again. I'm not gonna push it as far down, and let's see if we can make it fly. All right, Lucas.
Okay,
you think
let's
it'll
try
do
Could it fly? Because last time, it was really tight. You just pushed on it, and then it would have gone high if you would have not pushed on it.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Let's see.
All right,
Let's see.
Lucas. Let's see. Drop
Good
it in.
observation.
I'm gonna put it in. We'll see what happens. All right, he's got this. It's all in the wrist. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Yeety yeet. You put it too tight. You keep on doing it too tight, that.
Fail. Peter, you disappointed?
This thing is a big, huge fail.
Fail.
This
That's
is a
all right.
fail.
We tried.
Next time,
That's what happens in the science, guys.
try something else.
Never do this.
Yeah.
It's like the worst thing
So
ever.
if you go to your library and they say to do this experiment, it doesn't really work.
It doesn't work. Emphasis on it. It really doesn't work.
Baking soda rocket, fail, big time fail.
Big
But
time.
they didn't say how high it went. I think they meant to say only goes. The highest max is only 4 feet.
Well, at least we got it to 4 feet, right?
Hey, you know what? We have like a real Tesla rocket. We should try to launch that thing.
Yeah.
Next time we'll do that. All right?
All right. Thanks for watching,
All right.
guys.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe. Peace out.
Put some pea in it.